This is an Epson FF-680W. We're gonna unbox this bad boy. Look how big this thing is. This is a photo scanner. It supports up to 1200 DPI. It auto enhances photos. Red eye reducer. Remember red eye? That was a big problem. Loved it wirelessly. I don't want a freaking wire here. It also does documents, which I'm very excited about. I don't have the patience to just open up and scan, open up, scan. Let's unbox this, shall we? Look at this bad boy. Box cutters, always good for dishwasher in the background. That's not the Epson FF-680W. That's just a dishwasher early in the cycle. All right, clean all around, clean. We got this little wire. Like I said, it's wireless, but it does have, I'm not the expert on USB, but you can figure it out. You got some raw power right here, some power. You got a cord. Got it. So the power, so that goes into there. This we can set aside. And, oh, we got this beautiful piece of equipment coming our way. You know what? Alright, it's upside down. But it seems to be a pretty clean interface. There's some sheets there. I wonder if that's for cleaning. There's some sheets there, or it looks like it's sheets. You have this. You have like a rag, I guess, to clean it, and you have this, which is instructions, which I don't really read those. So I like intuitive machines, and Epson is pretty good. All right, so these are discard. So this is what we got. We got a bunch of tape, you know, and yeah, we'll just untape it, shall we? It's got that new, it's got like this, like the new car smell for, I don't know, office equipment. It's got it. It smells great. Okay, so you got a bunch of stuff like this. I don't think that really is. So actually this is how it rolls. So yeah, this is the document feeder. And I believe this comes out. There should be something here that comes out. Oh, we got this tape. I mean, I would say this is, I mean, I like quick setups. Now, and there's also here, like it says how to do it right there, just in case, whatever. And then there's a Wi-Fi right there. So you got the power button, you got a Wi-Fi button. I'm not sure what button that is. I think I know what button that is. That probably starts the roll. And I'm not sure what that is. I like it, like I said, I don't like to read instruction manuals. I like to just go at it. And this looks like it's very friendly. But so far, I mean, it's sleek. All right, so the back has the wire. If there is a wire, you can put it in the back. And there's also a wire for that. A wire goes there. from the time you unbox it, no instructions, to the time it has a light, you're looking at 7 minutes. That's not bad. That's pretty good start me up time. Hey, thank you for watching the raw unboxing of the Epson FastFoto. I really appreciate you making it to the end. Keep your eyes peeled on my YouTube channel, Jeff on Tech, for additional videos. Like and subscribe if this was of value to you. And additionally, I'm going to discuss my first impressions after owning it for a month, some use cases, some problems that I had, some things to look out for, and maybe they're on me. But look out for additional videos on the Epson FastFoto. But that was the raw unboxing, and I appreciate your time.